Having multiple ways to get watches and warnings is going to be very important as well. The latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center does cut the level 3 enhanced risk right at the Illinois-Wisconsin border, shifting south towards Interstate 80 and Peoria and also Bloomington. And that's for damaging winds. But because we're going to have enough low-level shear in the atmosphere, so enough spin, there is going to be the chance for a few brief tornadoes.
There's a wall cloud right there.
Something right there.
Yep. That's rotating heavy. Oh, that's gonna be a tornado.
Probably on the ground.
Yeah, that's probably a tornado on the ground. It's not moving that fast, which is nice.
I'll get away from this.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Half a mile?
Yeah, less than that.
I don't know. Over the trees.
Yeah, I think that's a tornado.
Very close. We still got a circulation behind us.
Yeah. We got multiple circulations. Oh, that's one like literally right there.
Right here? That's a kinky on.
But hopefully we were able to take this video, and I know, Jordan, you've been talking with them a little bit to maybe give an idea of where they are with this.
Yeah, so what they're looking at right now is a wall cloud that they are out ahead of this line, probably in Stevenson County, I would imagine. And they are seeing the potential for a wall cloud that at least looks very likely in the short term that it may be capable of producing a tornado. And this is kind of what we're looking at right now.
And it looks like we may have Joey and Owen who are on a storm, and I want to show you guys this here before they have to move out. So Joey, where are you and what are you seeing now?
So we just passed the Freeport area. We're actually just off of Highway 20. We turned on one of the dirt roads, and you kind of see the structure of this line of storms. You got more of a shelf-like appearance to the left of the screen, and the circulation that you were talking about is actually on the other side of the rain curtains off in the distance there. But it kind of looks like we're looking at a little bit of a kink in the line or a little bit rotation just over the tree line there. And maybe we might be getting in on a little funnel where my finger is pointing. But right now we're looking at that Freeport storm looking to the north. We got in front of this storm right before the Freeport area, and we found a dirt road that got a nice view. But right now most of this looks outflowy or has a shelf cloud with it, meaning that there's heavy rain and a lot of wind behind this shelf cloud. But we do have a good vantage point of the circulation you were talking about north of Cedarville.
So it looks like we've got some of our alerts that are going off on our phone here. I want to take Joey. If you guys are able to talk to him, looks like he's got a pretty decent view. Joey, can you hear me? I know Owen is calling us. Can you hear me, Joey?
Yes, I can hear you, Candace.
Okay, give me an idea of where you're at and what you're looking at here.
So we actually just passed the station. We are on Meridian right by the interchange of Highway 20 and Meridian, and we're looking to our southwest towards the circulation that is in between New Milford and Winnebago. As you can see, we do have some pretty nice supercellular structure here. We have the main wall cloud that's right over the top of the tree line there. Here you have a little bit of inflow or warm, moist air going into the storm. We haven't really seen anything make its way to the ground just yet, but we have seen some rapid motion, and the tornado sirens are just going off, as you can hear.
With this, now you've got a good vantage point. Can you reiterate again where you are, Joey, with this storm?
Joey, say where we're at with the storm.
So we are right now.
Tornado about to be on the ground.
Yeah, we have this funnel cloud that's about halfway to the ground. We are right next to the baseball fields on Meridian, and right next to the old gas station. The old Meridian gas station is right here to my left. but you can kind of see that there is a funnel cloud halfway towards the ground here with the storm as it tracks to our southwest. Again, we haven't seen any touchdowns, and it looks like the funnel cloud has lifted, but we might have another attempt at tornado genesis right over the tree line there.
Okay, so you are looking at this. This is just to the west
Yeah,
and
there it
southwest here of Rockford. So you are along Meridian. We've got the Meridian implement there. You've got the baseball field as well. Looks like, okay, so you could actually see a little bit of that funnel coming down. So.
In conclusion, meteorologist Owen, Szarley, and I also saw the Davis Junction tornado as we were traveling east on Highway 20 towards Interstate 90. In the end, over 50 tornadoes touched down from this derecho across Iowa, Illinois, and also Indiana. Of the 3 tornadoes we saw that day, 2 were rated an EF0, which includes the Southern Winnebago County tornado and the Davis Junction tornado. The tornado that touched down near the Stockton area was rated an EF1. From the Eyewitness News First Warn Weather Center, I'm meteorologist and storm chaser Joey Marino.